Um, hey, how you doing? Doing fine? Great. Um, sorry for um interrupting you. Um, yeah, I don't know how to do small talk. I am sorry, terribly sorry. Uh, I've actually wanted to ask you a question. Like, I'm sure everyone had asked that same question to someone else. I'm sure of it. But why did you join the army? Like, I mean, yeah, we're at war right now, but what's the reason? What's the occasion? Like, there must be a reason, right? I mean, everyone has a reason. Some might be. mm, I mean, you know what I mean? Some might be weirder than the others, but everyone has their own. Everyone to each their own, I guess. So, what is your reason to be stuck here with me? Hmm. So, you just heard that we're at war and you were like, count me in, fellas. I'm joining in. So, something like that. Hmm. So you just wanted to kick some ass, and of course, for the betterment of the world. World. Yeah. Sorry. I don't know why I said that weird. I might be tired. I don't know why I'm here right now, patrolling with you. But I mean, yeah. Orders are orders. I mean, I ate some chocolates, some dark chocolates. That might me keep me awake a bit. You want some? No? Okay. But, you know, if you want some dark chocolate, or just chocolate, you can ask me for a piece. Or for the whole pack. I don't know. So, yeah, so the reason is just help the world, kick some ass, and go back home. Right? Okay, sure. That's a good reason. Better than the other ones, I guess. Ah, come on. That is 100% a weird reason for why they are in the army. Safe. Can't change my mind on that. Ah, so, how are you doing? Hmm, you look like you look like you're about to fall. Like you 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 look like you're about to pass out. I mean, from my perspective. Pardon me. but you do but you're Jesus, I can speak. But you are good? Like, are you really feeling well? Or just saying so? I don't need to worry about you. Okay, okay, okay. I believe you. If you say you're good, I guess I might trust you. I mean, I better be. But still, I'm gonna keep an eye on you. It's quite cold, right? Perhaps you might wake up going to fall on the snow, but that's not a guarantee. Hmm. I mean, it's chill, but it's biting a bit. Yeah, yeah. You ain't feeling it? I mean, I do on my feet. It's a bit chilly, but then again, my boots weren't quite made for this weather. My jacket, though, my uniform. I guess. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. We are wearing the same. Of course. My bad. Of course, we are wearing the same thing. Why wouldn't we? Oh, well, there goes 1 minute of the thing that I said just right now. Just pretend I didn't say anything about my clothing. Or our clothing. No, not our. That'd be weird. About the uniform, let's just like. Yeah. Yeah. Um. Oh god. I think I'm getting sick. That ain't good. How long do we have to stay? 2 hours. 2 hours. Nice. Really nice. I hope we don't freeze to death. Would be really a misfortune if we did. Wait, misfortune? Fortune? Yeah, misfortune. Or unfortunate. Yeah. I need to make sure I said the right word. I don't know. I tend to forget sometimes what I'm saying. Like the meaning of the word. Does it happen to you too? Sometimes, huh? Oh well, guess I'm not the only weird one. Hmm. Well, anyways, do you have any particular questions to me? I mean, I just asked you one. So, oh, you do? Okay. Shoot. I mean, don't shoot me, please. But shoot the question. mm. Ooh, okay. Why did I join the army? Okay, okay. Playing dirty. I guess it's only fair. I ask you, you're asking me. Well, I don't have a noble cause, I guess. I just joined because, you know, uh, family, this and that, problems here and there. I guess you know how it is. Uh, Maybe I just wanted to get away from them. Who knows? I don't know. Perhaps. Probably. Only God knows. Well, me too, but I ain't saying. Uh, or maybe I will. I don't know. I'm not drunk, but I'm a bit tired. And tiredness can make people say things that, you know, that they might forget. Like, not regret, but they might forget it. So, yeah. Why did I join? I mean, I already answered it, didn't I? Yeah, I mean, I did, but you could say it was a bit vague. Hmm, it's getting quite cold. Was it just me? I am not changing the subject, okay? It is getting quite cold. Or maybe it's just me getting goosebumps. Perhaps. I don't know. I don't want to know. Well, perhaps I do. I don't know. Anyways, I am not stalling time, okay? Well, yes, I am. I am stalling for time. Well, because I don't want to answer it. I mean, I did, but a bit vague. I mean, what am I gonna? What am I gonna tell? It's not as noble as yours. You want to change the world and kick some ass and for the betterment of the world. I am here because I am bored, or because I want to get away from my family that has been nagging me for quite a while. So, there was a war, and I was like, what a perfect opportunity to get away from them. So, I joined the army. I I don't regret it. I mean, in the beginning, I did. I did regret it in the beginning. It's fine though. It's not that bad here. There are some good folks, like you. But other than that, I don't know, the others seem chill, but they're not that talkative. I mean, we're at war. Because I guess they are a bit gloomy about the situation we are in right now. I mean, who wouldn't? It's cold right now, and yeah, I think they are more. I think they are more worried about being warm than talking about anything at all. About talking about anything at all. So I think I said it twice. I don't know why. Don't mind me. Just my good old brain forgetting and making sure if I said this thing correctly or not. Uh, what am I doing? Anyways, what? No, nothing. I said nothing. totally unrelated. Um, uh, what were we talking about again? Right. About why did I join the army? Uh, yeah, I answered it. Family, nagging, opportunity, and now I'm here with you, bunch of lovely lads, pals, buckaroos, and chumps. Yeah, we haven't lost anyone, did we? Oh, good. I don't know. I just the question just came to my mind. Why am I getting goosebumps? Nothing happened yet. Anyways, uh, yeah, that's the reason. Not that noble like yours, but well, as I said, anyone has their own reason to join the army. Some might be stupid, some might be good, and some might be something in between. And mine is definitely not something in between. My reason is just egoistical and purely for my own gain. I mean, I wanted to get away from them, and I achieved it. Let's just hope I don't die in the process. I mean, I'd like to return. Not to them, though. Maybe somewhere nice, you know? Maybe somewhere nice. With a decent weather, you know? Not that much rain, not that much sun, not that much snow, you know? Perfectly balanced, you know? Summer? I guess it could have summer as well. I don't know. Summer is good. You can get out in sun and get a bit healthy and whatnot. But I don't like those pesky insects that come along with summer. So I rather stay inside and cook myself like a chicken or like a turkey in Thanksgiving than be going out there and fighting with those pesky mosquitoes. Yeah, maybe that's why I like fall or winter. Maybe fall. Uh, no, winter. I like winter. Well, why not? Christmas. A jolly time. It's a nice time. Hmm. Christmas. You think we'd be done in Christmas? I mean, with the war. I mean, You think? I hope so too. I hope so. That'd be nice, don't you think? Ending the war before Christmas? Yeah, that'd be nice. That'd be nice. Anyways, before we get too melancholy and too much sad, um, I guess I'll leave you be and I'll go back to my uh, patrolling area. It was nice talking to you. Yeah, it was nice talking to you. What? Oh my god. Uh, we've been talking quite a while, but I've never got your name. What was it again? Oh, that's a that's a nice name. It's a nice name. Oh, right. My name. My name. No, I did not forget my name. No, I. Maybe I did. Jesus, what's happening? Uh, how can I forget my own name? Oh, yeah. Just call me Hank. Sorry. How did I forget my name? Yeah. Name's Hank. Um. Hmm. My surname. Buddy. Uh, I think my dementia's kicking in. Ugh. Sorry for my neck. Yeah. Don't worry. I'm fine. Um. Yeah. Hank. Hank Thompson. Yeah. The name's Hank Thompson. Nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you. So, I better go. Go to my patrolling area. Um, take care of yourself, will you? Don't fall down. No, seriously, you look like you're about to fall down and take a nap on the snow. Please don't do that. That'd be concerning. Anyways, I'm leaving you be. Thanks for this lovely time. Time. Why did I say it weird? Time. Ugh. Weird. Thank you for your time. So better. Yeah, I tend to misspell some words. Sorry. I think I should sleep, but I can't. I can't sleep right now because I need to patrol. Anyways, um, nice meeting you. Um, take care. Don't fall asleep. Don't fall over. Um, I'll be over there. You know, not that far away. It was nice hugging you. I said it again, didn't I? I think I'm I think I'm repeating myself. Anyways, I hope this war ends before Christmas. And if it does end before Christmas, I wish you a Merry Christmas, my dear friend. I'd like to visit you though, so don't die on me, will you? Ah, please don't. Anyways, goodbye. I'll be going then. See ya. Goodbye.